want to learn how to make movies of up to 30 minutes, just like the one you just watched, in high image quality with motion, consistent characters to generate content or monetize your arts channels, you're in video, right? Stay with me until the end of this video and find out how to use this new video generation tool with artificial intelligence with videos of up to 30 minutes and using the special link in the description of this video here that you will earn 300 bonus credits to test this new tool. If this interesting topic for you is already leaving your like to give that strength here to the channel. If you are not already subscribed, subscribe now to receive our updates always firsthand. So let's get to the video before I show it to you. What is the video editing tool I will show you in today's class? I want to show you this channel here so you can get the vision. This here is the channel, and Obabo Moves, this channel here is a monetized channel, and they have here, more than 33,000 subscribers. And what he did here is exactly the strategy that I'm going to show you here in a moment. This channel here, he made several small videos here, 32 seconds. This one here, 2 minutes and a half, 3 minutes and a half. This other video here too, 1 minute and 15. 2 and 30 are several small videos. So what did he do here? He took the book of Proverbs here, and for each video here he made the summary of each chapter of the book of Proverbs. And for you to see, they're not big videos, they're small videos. Practically 90% of this channel here, all the videos are less than 4 minutes, and some videos like this one here, for example, here is 1 hour and 30 minutes. What did he do with this video here? He gathered the stories from all the videos here and put them in this central video here. And this 1.5 hour video here, it already has here 354,000 views in just 1 month. So for you to see that this technique really works, I'm going to get a video here for you to see. I'm going to turn off the sound here so I don't take copyright. Let me advance the video. Look at the quality of the video. That's exactly what I'm going to show you now. It's a very simple video. You can see that the images have movement. Put some sentences here in the middle of the video. It's a simple video, it's a simple thing. You don't necessarily have to make a 30-minute video. Videos with high margin quality. Let me hold it here, the screen for you to see there. You see, they are videos with high quality. Simple thing, there is no secret. So for you to see that with small videos, you can monetize a channel. I'm going to take another video here, take this other video here, for example. Very simple to do, all done with artificial intelligence. So if you master this tool that I'm going to show you now here, you can then create a dark channel and monetize that channel, then there you are. So if you've seen the video quality now let's go to the tool. The tool is this tool here, which is Magic Light. I will leave the link here in the description of this video here. You will click on this link, then you will make your registration completely free there. And if you use the link that will be here in the description, you will earn 300 credit bonus for you to test this tool here. And after you log into this tool here, it is very simple for you to use it here. You go down the screen here, you will see that there are several videos made by users here of this tool here and all. Every video you make, it becomes available here in the gallery. So you have videos here with high quality. So your videos here epic. You have cartoon videos, realistic animal GTA videos. This video here already has more than 14,000 views. Superhero videos and everything created with artificial intelligence that you can do yourself here. And they are videos that you can create with movies up to 30 minutes. And if you come up here on the tool, and I ended up making a subscription here because it really is a very good tool. So for me, it's worth a subscription. You have subscriptions here of annual plan and monthly plan. If you do it here on the monthly plan, for you to test and get to know this tool here, the cheapest plan here is the 9 USD plan, where you have here 5,000 credits for you to use in your videos there. What if you work with a dark channel, or if you intend to monetize your dark channel? This tool here, it's worth signing up for. And for you to generate the video here, it is very simple. Just come here in Video Client. You will fall on this screen here, and on this screen here, you will choose the format of your video here, which can be in this format here of 9:16 or in this format here of 16:9. This tool here, you can choose the language of the narration, and you have Portuguese here too. And if you are going to monetize channels there in Gringa, use English. I'm going to leave Portuguese right here and down here. Here in style, you can choose which style you want for your video. So you have the cartoon here, you have this model here, like Disney, epic, realistic, kids, suspense, animals. You have a number of video style options here. Just choose what you find interesting and start creating your video. So I'm going to use this model here, which is the epic. It is precisely the model that you saw at the beginning of this video here, and here in the right corner you have these two options here to put your prompt here. If you use this template here, you will use the prompt of the tool itself here. It is a more plastered prompt. Now if you want to work on your story prompt, you'll use this option here, and here you will paste your story prompt for you to generate your story prompt here. You can use this tool itself here, or you can do like I did too. You can use the ChatGPT. So I'm going to use ChatGPT here, or you can also use this tool here, which is GeneSpark, which is a tool that I've been talking a lot about here on the channel. I will leave in the description of this video here the link of this tool here. You can use this tool here for free for 30 days, and it has integrated here. In addition to ChatGPT, it has an image editor here. You can generate videos. You have several options with this tool here, and it has also integrated ChatGPT. I gave the following command. Here generates one. I want a video trailer about Samson's life, and he gave me a script here. So I'm going to copy that script here, and I'm going to paste it here. It doesn't matter if it's a complex script or a very simple script or a very simple sentence. Whatever you put here, it will translate. Here it will turn into various scenes for your video, and here below you will choose the size of your video. You can then choose from 1 minute to 30 minutes, remembering the following, according to your plan, will eat your credits then on your time. Test this tool here. Try to use up to 5 minutes here for you to see how this tool works here. I'm going to leave 3 minutes here so it doesn't become a big video. Another important thing here about this platform here is the following. It uses Psyche R integrated here, a model. So it is the most updated version of Psyche, and you will notice that the video generation result here will be very good. Then you just have to come here in next. He will generate the scenes. That one, then he generated the scenes. Tom generated here 8 scenes. Here also shows the time of the video. Oh, it was generated here. Oh, 24 images, a total time of 2 minutes. You can come here, then next, and here in this field here, you can edit the characters. And he identified in this story, then he identified 2 characters. He identified here Sanction and Delilah, but this tool here, it automatically recognizes up to 6 characters in the story. It recognizes, and you can edit each character here. If you need to put more characters in your story, you just come here at this little sign here, and you can add the characters in your story. And that's why this tool is able to maintain the consistency of the character throughout the story, because you can choose your character here, and this character here, it will be linked to the name of the character in your story. If you don't like any character here, oh, there are several characters here you can choose. There's a man, a woman, it's epic style, more modern. If you don't have a character here that you haven't identified, you can create a character as well. You can come here, you put the character ready, and if you want, also down here, and you can also model the character. That's exactly what I did at the beginning of this video here with those Avengers characters. What did I do here? He recognizes the face and the clothes here. So if you click here, you can add a character here that it will copy, it will model the person's face, or also you can come here and add a character with clothes, then it will model the character's clothes, and you put the prompt here. And then you generate the prompt here. So that's a way you have. Here you can also choose the name of the character. You can also choose here if you are male, female, defined male, category, if you are human. And here you have these options here, if he is a child, teenager, younger. So you chose to define your character there. You come down here and put confirm. So I'm going to select here now the character Samson. I selected the character here, Samson. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to confirm, choose Lila's character. I'm going to confirm. After you select all the characters here, it's just you. I came here, then in that, and it will generate. So now the complete story with the characters on this next screen here, you have up here, the speed of the narrator's voice. You can leave it here in a new point, which I found interesting. The narrator, he doesn't run much with the voice. We here in this field, you can choose the narrator. So there are several narrators here. You can test them all there. And here he generated for me here, 24 images. These 24 images here are just static images. So much so that if you click on each of them, here are static images, they have no movement, and you can put movement on all of them, or you can choose which images you want to put movement on. Remembering the following: for each image you place, movement is more credit that will be spent. Now, if you make a video only in static image, you will spend less credit, and this way you will be able to generate more videos. And depending on your target audience, then static image it meets. Now, if not, you have to put movement into your image, and for you to put movement in the image. Image is very simple. You just click here on the image, you come here in the right corner here, and come here, Oh Animate. Click on Animate, and you will choose here what kind of animation you want. Link 5 here for now is not enabled. You can choose this option here, Animate Pro, and you come down here and you can click here to confirm these two options here. You can leave it checked from above that it will do this here fully, automatically, and you don't have to worry about it. So you come here, confirm, come here. If this message appears here, you can click here in yellow here. It will then generate the motion for this image here, and you can do this procedure here. So for all the images and for every image that you click here, it has here the text of the narration edit. If you also want to edit this text here, you can also edit something else as well. Let's say you don't like this picture here. This image has nothing to do with the narration text here. If you want to change this image here, it's just you also came here in the right corner and you come here, oh, regenerate, it will make another image. This procedure here does not consume credit, so you can do this procedure here several times and it will not consume credit. And another cool thing from here is also the following. If you also want to put the voice for each of these characters here, just click here also on the image. You come here, oh, in voice here. When you click, you can also swap voices here. So you can have multiple character voices here within your story. You made all the edits, everything's fine, so you can come here. So in this next screen here, you can define here what will be your video cover. It's just you choose the image here, choose an image here. Leave this image here you can. You can then choose the cover of your video here in subtitle. You can choose here below, here which font will appear in your video. And this last option here is for you to choose here the songs that will appear in your video. And these songs here, they don't have copyright, so you can use them at will in your video. I didn't like the songs here, so what can you do? You can use the audio library there from YouTube, which are also audios there without copyright if you chose. Any of these songs here, I recommend it. So what do you come up here then and put the volume here? I recommend that you put the volume here at 20% so as not to have a very loud musical background. So 20% here is a good size. After you've done all the editing, then you just come here, then now, and generate your video. So you come here and generate here, you will choose the format of your video. I'm going to leave here 16:9 and come here and give OK now. Then it will generate your video. So now I watch the result of this video editing.
There, in a barren landscape under Philistine rule, the appearance of an angel announces a divine promise. The celestial figure appears before Manoah's wife, radiating a soft light that contrasts with the harshness of the environment. The angel proclaims the imminent birth of Sanction, a Nazarite destined to fulfill a divine covenant. Precise instructions are given on the consecration of Sanction, sealing a destiny marked by divinity. The atmosphere in the house of Manoah is loaded with the unspoken weight of the fate of Sanction. In a show of divine strength, Sanction faces Beast, his bare hands becoming instruments of fate. With a final and devastating act, Sanction shattering Lion proving his incomparable strength and divine purpose with a sly smile, Samson declares, "I will propose a riddle to you. If you can solve it correctly within the 7 days of the feast, then I will give you 30 pieces of linen and 30 Sanction," reveals his enigmatic challenge. From the eater came food, and from the strong came sweetness. As days turn into nights, frustration and anger boil silently within the Philistines, their minds trapped by the illusory control of the enigma in a whirlwind of fury. The debt of Sanction is paid in blood. Your anger, a storm that no one can withstand. The landscape bears witness to his wrath. A silent testament to the battles fought and lives changed. His resolute figure moves against the horizon, a solitary silhouette that embodies strength and sadness with a wave of indomitable strength. Sanction breaks the bonds that bind him, his raw power unleashed in a breathtaking display. The field turns into a sea of bodies, witnessing the indomitable power of Sanction. In the midst of the massacre, with force over human sanction, he rips off the city gates and escapes, leaving his captors stunned in darkness. Samson, captivated by Delilah's beauty, succumbs to the intoxicating spell of blind love to the looming shadows of danger. Dalilah Rastuta tightens the noose in Sanction, without the knowledge of Sanction. Thank you, Lai. He encourages Delilah by setting the stage for the impending final betrayal. In the shadows, the atmosphere inside Delilah's house becomes dense, foreshadowing of an inevitable confrontation. Delilah's relentless search for the secret of Sanction reaches a critical point, where every word and gesture is laden with hidden meaning and imminent danger. Echoes of its past glory haunt the present. As the shadow of his former self hangs over his agonizing work, the prisoner weighs with the dust of despair, mirroring the crushing weight of Samson's blindness and captivity. In the stillness of captivity, the threads of your destiny are slowly being remade. With each step, attention increases as Sanction approaches the columns that guard the fate of time. At the moment of contact, the air fills with a palpable energy, foreshadowing the impending climax. In his darkest moments, Sanction lifts his face to the sky, eyes full of a fervor that defies the very destruction around him. In a whisper that echoes through the ruined temple, Sanction implores God, "Grant me strength for the last time." With tense muscles, Samson summons every ounce of his legendary strength on the very foundations tremble, as the temple braces itself against the power of Sanction.